Now we saw how a transformer works and how the number of turns ratio, the current and the EMF are linked with each other, correct? Now we'll see different types of losses in the transformer. Okay. See, there are different types of losses. So the first one is we call as flux loss. See, never in a transformer the primary and secondary coil are completely coupled. Okay, that means there is the magnetic flux which is linking with the primary and the secondary. So some of the flux lines will not link, meaning there is a loss of magnetic flux. Okay, so this is one of the losses. The second loss is copper loss. See, the windings are copper wires. The copper will have some sort of resistance. So the resistance due by the windings, that is what we call as copper loss. Okay. Third loss is eddy currents. Now here the core plays a very important part. Okay. Now what we use is a laminated core. Okay. Now why we have to use laminated core is, suppose let's say you have one big, let's say thick metal piece. Now here what happens, as there is change in magnetic flux in the particular conductor, a lot of heat will be produced because of eddy currents. If we use laminated cores, what happens is the eddy currents will reduce. Okay, but even then we cannot stop eddy currents. Eddy current will still be there, but the amount of heat produced will be lessened. Okay, so this is one more loss. Okay, we also call this as eddy current or heat loss. Okay, next, fourth loss is hysteresis loss. See, hysteresis, remember hysteresis curve, we used to magnetize, demagnetize, correct? Now here also, as the flux is changing, so the part of metal will get magnetized. In the other cycle of the alternating current, it will demagnetize. So again magnetize, again demagnetize. So here we are working to magnetize and demagnetize, correct? So again, this is one of the losses. Alright, and the last is humming loss. See, humming loss is basically, see, now suppose let's say you are walking, like just past a transformer, you guys will hear some humming, correct? Right, see, that's basically humming loss, meaning the instrument will start vibrating. Okay, so here electrical energy is converted to sound energy. So again, this is also one of the loss. Okay, so these are different types of energy losses in a transformer. Okay, so since there is a lot of losses in a transformer, the efficiency will come, correct? So efficiency eta is equal to the output power by input power, which is ESIS divided by EPIP. Okay, so never efficiency will be 100%, but we try to make it more and more better. Okay, so the problems what you will be doing will be based on these factors.